Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. So right now we are on the field. So this field is under our union. So we have enjoyed a beautiful match with my uncle, and still she is in. Yesterday we also came here to enjoy beautiful match. I want to show behind me. So this is the two teams. Both are in this union. So they have already finished today's match. One person, the green jerseys team, have won today's match already, and the white team has lost today's match. There was one kind of the match is very beautiful. Who is I don't know, but every person in Bangladesh, most of the person like me, love football, because whenever or which place you like go, you will see the football match. So also you're seeing this my uncle. I made a lot of video about with him, and I want to ask some question to my uncle. So uncle, so what have you got the enjoyment from this match? Did you get any enjoyment from this match?
Little bit, because this pillar is very not well.
Not
for
well. The reason is the player didn't play well. They didn't follow the policy of football. They played rudely for this reason. So the one mistake, we came in the middle time, after the half time. For this reason, we couldn't enjoy the full match because we went another place to enjoy the another match in another village beside our house. So uncle, so do you love football? I think.
Of
Say
course.
something about my followers. So why should we play football regularly? There is any benefit?
Yes, lot of benefits. If you play football every day,
Yes.
you will be. I can't really say properly.
So if you play football, you can keep your body healthy, strong, and you can run your whole parts of your body properly, and you can use your energy in a good place. So football is one of the best game in Bangladesh. So it must help you to make your body fit. You can run well and etc. things. It will be happen. So it's a very hot today. It's a one kind of dog day also. So still I am getting sweat. So this is our last moment. I just told you, yes, this match I laughed. Also it was a root match, but totally it is very strong way. We have enjoyed, and most of the time we came this field not only to enjoy the match but also play also. I hope you also played well, and you should play football regularly to enjoy and to make your body strong. Thank you so much everyone. Keep practice, keep learning. Goodbye.